Uncle Ned was the kind of guy who could turn any normal event into a spectacle. It all began at a family garden party when he got a case of the hiccups while holding a platter of jello. Each hiccup sent the jello wobbling, and soon enough it slipped right from his hands, landing splat on the ground. As if that wasn't funny enough, he attempted to cure his hiccups with every trick in the book. From drinking glasses of water upside down to holding his breath, guests started joining in, turning it into a group comedy act. Ned's infectious laughter and comical hiccups made the day unforgettable, leaving everyone in stitches and wanting more.